Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we're going to make a own version sisig na bangos. So guys, meron tayo ditong grilled bangos. Ayan guys, dito, ayan nakalagay. And then meron tayo ditong sili, bell pepper, onion, and also calamansi at saka mayonnaise. So guys, first is kukunin muna natin yung meat ng chicken, tapos isahin natin dito. So, ito na guys. Tapos na natin. And then guys, next natin is slice lang tayo ng onion. Yung saktuhan lang guys. Yung wag masyadong malaki. Wag din masyadong maliit. Dito na guys, na-combine ko na lahat yung bell pepper, onion, and chilies. So here na sila lahat guys. Ayan. So lagay natin yung mayonnaise. Simutin natin guys. Guys, yung calamansi. So guys, okay na yan guys. Yes, okay na guys. So mag-prepare na tayo. So ayan na guys. Finish na guys. And then nadalhin ko lang to sa tita ko guys. Sa school. Finish na guys. So guys, yan lang guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung video, and also don't forget to like, share, comment, at subscribe guys. Sana tulungan nyo ako. Bye bye.